Here we go, guys. Back again with another video, sort of a follow-up to the last one I did with the cotton wool balls and petroleum. So I've just done a upgraded version of those with some pine sap, so from the pine trees. Yeah, so what I did is I heated up a bowl on my barbecue, put the pine sap in there, melted that down, added a bit of petroleum, then stirred in my cotton wool balls. So I'm going to give you a quick demonstration on how easy they are to spark up and how long they last, and I'll time it and go from there. Alrighty, there we have it. That was actually timed at 2 seconds shy of 5 minutes, so 4 minutes 58 on one cotton wool ball. So that gives you plenty of time to be able to go and collect bits and pieces and chuck on it and get a decent fire going. So, and it took one strike. Literally, as soon as it hit that that ball, it just took up instantly, and yeah, it went for 5 minutes. So definitely a better version than the original one I did yesterday, which was just cotton wool bud and petroleum. So this has got the petroleum in it as well, but it's also got the added pine sap. So yeah, made a big difference. We'll do a video later and do a comparison with the two cotton wool buds, but for now this is just the newer version. So this will make video 2 for the series. Like I said on my previous video, I'm going to do different ways. I'm going to use the bow drill and flint and a few other different versions, and show you guys how to start fires other than having to use a big lighter. And yeah, I'll try and see if I can do a crazy one at the end, and yeah, we'll go from there. But if you guys can hit the like button, subscribe would be great, and yeah, just follow me on my Instagram and Facebook and do all those things, and just help support me on my channel. That'd be awesome. Cheers guys for watching, stay moist and peace out.